Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable dark mode for your all websites in your Google Chrome browser. So Google Chrome browser is rolling out new update, new feature. With this help of feature you can able to do this. So for this guys, first you need to update your browser. To update the browser, click on three dots, go to help, go to about Google Chrome like this, and here you can easily able to update your browser. After updating, here in the URL box of your Chrome browser, here you need to search chrome://flags and then hit enter. Okay, after this guys, here you need to search the flag auto dark mode for web contents. Just extend this, select enable option and then click on relaunch. Okay, it will relaunch means restart your web browser, and then when you open any website on your browser it will open in the dark mode. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method. So one more thing you can do, just open the new tab page on your browser and here click on customize Chrome, and from here you can also able to select the dark mode like this. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.